Today I got sent an air filter from VION. It's 25 bucks for the R1T R1S filter, which is right under here. I'm going to show you quick how to do it. And if you use the code posted below, they'll give you 10% off, and I also get 10%, which is fantastic. So anyone who uses that, I appreciate it. It's just over a year old. It's the first time I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. So here we go. So it came in its own envelope, which had a box that was plastic wrapped, and then the air filter is plastic wrapped as well. So it should be nice and safe. All you have to do is pop these up. Rivian's made this really simple. It might look a little intimidating, but these clips are really high quality. I'm sure they'll break when they're, 10 years old or something, and you'll have to replace them. But for now, they're super easy. It literally just lifts out. Then there's a sort of bucket right here that also lifts out. There we go. Just be careful. This is a Gen 2. Just be careful because there's a clip on this side. I'm not sure if Gen 1s have that. And wow, yeah, this is actually pretty full and dusty. It's quite a lot of junk in there, so it's time I did this for sure. This filter is a little bit lighter. I don't know if that's just because this is so full of junk, or if it's a different material. So it says right there, VION, and the airflow direction. It even says it's for the Rivian R1T R1S. There we go. That's it. And do everything in reverse and you're done.